Hello, and welcome to Lead Cruncher. We encourage you to play around a bit and see how the platform feels and get a sense of all it can do for you. Backed by Amazon technology under the hood, no other company provides this kind of data. We created this industry. We're the first, the last, the only company that does this. It's packed with features and there's a lot going on, so let's quickly orient you so you know what you're looking at here. First of all, these 4 tabs here are where you search for and find different types of data records. Then all these tabs are the various tools to organize your data, to skip trace and verify, to leverage our powerful triple dialer with an extensive suite of tools, and more. Up at the top here, you'll find information on the different subscriptions depending on the kind of data you'll be using. Assessor's data and pre-foreclosure data, you'll find those subscription packages here. Successor's data subscription information here, and probate leads subscription information right here. For now, spend a little time and play around, see how it works, and feel free to take a deep dive and explore pretty much every aspect of the platform by watching our tutorial videos and other video content, which you'll find all throughout the platform. So goodbye for now, have a play around and see what Lead Cruncher can do for you.